my mommy. I love and miss you. But I'm about to go get her favorite food, which is pork. One of her favorite, I should say. I'll go get some pork and rice. I might go get a tattoo. I don't know. I might go get a tattoo. I'm still thinking about it, to be honest, because I'm scared. I never got a tattoo before. So this will be my first time. And I'm scared of my ass. But in a way, I'm willing to go through the pain because of my mom. So I'm still thinking about it. I got time. I'm about to leave Kings Plaza right now and go in Utica. And then I gotta make up my mind once I get there. So yeah. I was gonna stay inside the whole day today. But I'm like, let me go outside because I'm tired of crying. I'm tired of crying and I know I'm not gonna stop, but I have to come out the house. I'm leaving now. I did not come here to shop. I just came here to drop something off. I did not come to shop. I'm going home before outside get dark. What store is this? Oh, H&M. Nope. So I did not get the tattoo because the one I wanted to get, he said was $150, and I ain't paying $150 for that, so I did not get the tattoo. So I'm going home. I'm tired. I'm hungry. It's freaking cold outside. Literally freezing. Mama having a